Hello, everyone. Welcome back to TalkCast English TV, where learning English is easy. No boring lessons, just real conversations. I'm Alina, and I'm feeling so happy to be with you today.
And I'm Lukas. Hello, friends. I am feeling wonderful and ready to talk.
That's great to hear. So, Lukas, I am very excited about our topic today.
Oh, me too. You have that happy look. What are we chatting about?
Today, we are talking about a very simple but wonderful question. How was your vacation?
Oh, that is a perfect topic. It's so easy to chat about, and everyone has a little story. It's a real-life question.
Exactly. And before we start sharing our own stories, a quick and friendly reminder. If you like real conversations, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us so much.
Yes, please subscribe. And if you enjoy our chat, give this video a like. You can also share it with your friends and family who are learning English.
Thank you, Lukas. Okay, are we ready to talk about vacations?
I am ready. So, who goes first?
Why don't you start, Lukas? Tell us, how was your last vacation?
My last vacation was very good. I went to the beach. The sun was warm. The water was blue. It was so peaceful.
The beach! That sounds lovely. What did you like most about it?
What did I like most? I loved the sound. The sound of the waves. Whoosh, whoosh. It was so relaxing. I sat and read a book. It was my favorite moment.
Oh, that sounds perfect. A good book and the ocean sounds. I love that too. It's so calming.
Yes, very calming. What about you, Alina? How was your vacation?
My vacation was wonderful. I visited my family in the countryside. It was very green and quiet. I helped my mom in her garden. We talked and laughed a lot.
That sounds so nice. Visiting family is the best. What did you do in the garden?
We planted flowers. Red flowers, yellow flowers, so many colors. The air smelled so fresh. It was hard work, but it was happy work.
I can imagine. Fresh air and family time? A great vacation. Okay, let's talk about food. Vacation food is the best. What did you eat?
Oh, that's a good question. My mom cooked my favorite meal. She made a big, warm soup. It was delicious. It tasted like home.
That sounds delicious. Homemade food is special. For me, at the beach, I ate fresh fish. It was so good. I ate it with lemon. Simple and perfect.
I love fresh fish. That sounds amazing. Okay, let's think about another part of vacation. What was your favorite place on your trip? For me, it was the garden, of course.
My favorite place? That's easy. It was the sand. I walked on the sand in the morning. It was cool and soft. I saw small birds running near the water. It was a beautiful memory.
Walking on the cool sand? That does sound beautiful. It's a wonderful image. It makes me feel calm just hearing about it.
Thank you. Now, let's try something. Let's use some good words to describe our vacations. My vacation was relaxing.
Oh, that's a great word. Relaxing. My vacation was peaceful.
Peaceful. I like that. Another word for mine is sunny. It was very sunny.
Yes, sunny is a happy word. For me, my vacation was family-filled. Is that a word? It means full of family.
I like it. It's a perfect word for your trip. So we had relaxing, peaceful, sunny, and family-filled vacations. That's wonderful.
It is. Now, let's practice a little. Sometimes we want to say more than just, "It was good." Let's try some simple sentences. Repeat after me, everyone. My vacation was wonderful.
My vacation was wonderful.
Good. Another one. I had a relaxing time.
I had a relaxing time. Excellent. Your turn, Alina. Repeat after me. The weather was beautiful.
The weather was beautiful.
And one more. The food was delicious.
The food was delicious. Perfect. Now our friends have more words to use.
Yes, learning together is fun. Okay, back to our stories. Alina, was everything perfect on your vacation? Sometimes small things happen, right?
That is very true. Not everything is perfect. One day, it rained. We could not work in the garden. We felt a little disappointed.
Oh no! So what did you do? How did you feel?
At first, we felt a little sad, but then we made hot chocolate and played games inside. It became a fun, cozy day.
That's a great lesson. A little rain can be nice too. Hot chocolate sounds perfect. For me, one day there were too many people on the beach. It was not quiet.
Oh, what did you do?
I just walked away. I walked to a different, smaller beach, and it was empty and beautiful. So it was a happy end.
I love that. You found a solution. It's good to be flexible on vacation.
Exactly. Okay, my turn for a question. Who did you miss when you were on vacation? Did you think about your friends?
That's a sweet question. Yes, I did. I missed our talks, Lukas. I thought, this is so nice. I want to tell Lukas about it. And now I am.
Oh, that is so kind. That is so kind. I thought about my friends too. I sent them pictures of the ocean.
Sending pictures is a great idea. It's a way to share the happiness. It makes the vacation longer.
Yes, it does. So, we have talked about the place, the food, the feelings. What is another important part? Oh, I know, the journey. How did you travel to your family, Alina?
I went by train. It was a long train ride. I looked out the window at the fields and mountains. It was very pretty.
A train ride. I love trains. It's so relaxing. For me, I went to the beach by car. It was a short trip. We listened to music. It was fun.
Both sound like nice ways to travel. Okay, let's imagine our next vacation. Where do you want to go next, Lukas?
Oh, a next vacation. That is a fun question. I think I want to go to the mountains next time. I want to see tall, green trees and walk on mountain paths.
The mountains. That sounds amazing. I think you would love the quiet there. It is a different kind of quiet from the beach.
Yes, a forest quiet. What about you, Alina? Where is your dream for your next trip?
For my next vacation, I want to visit a big,
busy city. I want to see tall buildings, go to museums, and try many different foods from restaurants.
A city. Wow. That is very different from the quiet countryside. You like both quiet and busy places.
I do. I think every place has its own magic. The countryside is for resting. A city is for adventure.
I love that. Resting and adventure. Both are important. Okay, let's go back to our past vacations for a moment. Did you bring back anything special? A souvenir?
A souvenir? Yes, I did. I brought back seeds from my mom's garden.
Seeds? That is a wonderful souvenir.
Yes. Now I can plant the same flowers at my home. When they grow, I will remember my vacation and my family.
That is a beautiful memory. My souvenir is seashells. I have a small bowl of seashells on my table. They help me remember the sound of the ocean.
That's lovely. A little piece of the beach with you. Souvenirs are not just things, they are stories.
Exactly. They are small stories. Alina, let's think about the language. What is a good way to ask someone about their vacation?
That's a great idea. The simple way is, of course, how was your vacation? But we can also say, did you have a good holiday? Or tell me about your trip.
Yes, all very friendly and easy. And if you want to be more specific, you can ask, what was the best part? Or how was the weather?
Perfect questions. Now, let's do one more repeat after me practice. This time, let's practice the questions. Repeat after me, everyone. How was your trip?
How was your trip?
Good. Now try, what was your favorite part?
What was your favorite part?
Excellent. Your turn to lead, Lukas.
Okay. Repeat after me, everyone. Did you take any photos?
Did you take any photos?
And one more. Was the food good?
Was the food good? Very important question.
It is. Now we have many words and questions to use. Learning English is easy when we talk about fun things.
It really is. You know, Lukas, this conversation makes me happy. Remembering good times is a beautiful thing.
Me too. It's like we are having a little vacation right now, just by talking about it.
That's a wonderful way to see it. So, to wrap up our chat today, we talked about our vacations, we shared favorite memories, food, and places. We practiced some simple sentences and questions.
And we learned that every vacation, big or small, has a story to tell. It's a simple way to make a beautiful conversation.
I feel so good after our talk. I hope you all feel confident to ask and answer, how was your vacation?
Me too. And now for our final message. If you enjoyed our friendly chat about vacations, please help our channel grow.
Yes, please subscribe to TalkCast English TV for more easy, real conversations.
And give this video a thumbs up if it helped you learn new words today.
Also, please share this episode with a friend. Maybe you can practice asking each other about your vacations.
We would also love to hear from you. In the comments below, please tell us one word about your dream vacation. Is it sunny, city, Mountains? Tell us.
Thank you so much for listening and for learning with us. Remember, keep practicing and keep smiling.
See you next time. Take care and goodbye.
Goodbye, everyone.